Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure, here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to install Python on a Mac, along with some code examples. Before installing Python, it's a good idea to check if it's already installed on your Mac. Open the terminal and type the following command. If Python is installed, you will see the version number. If not, you'll need to install it. Homebrew is a package manager for macOS that makes it easy to install software. If you don't have Homebrew installed, you can install it using the following command. Follow the instructions to complete the installation. Now that you have Homebrew, you can use it to install Python. In the terminal, run. This command installs the latest version of Python. After the installation is complete, you can check the Python version. Setting up a virtual environment is a good practice to isolate your Python projects. Install virtualenv using pip. Create a virtual environment for your project. Activate the virtual environment. Now, you are in a virtual environment, and you can install packages without affecting the system-wide Python installation. You can use any text editor or integrated development environment, IDE, to write Python code. Some popular choices include Visual Studio Code, PyCharm, or Atom. Create a new file, for example, hello.py, and add the following code. Save the file. In the terminal, navigate to the directory where hello.py is located, and run the program. You should see the output. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Python on your Mac and run a simple Python program. ChatGPT